Introducing Wanna Build a Snowman. This set is simply adorable. Look at these smiley little penguins. So these guys are having a whale of a time because it has started to snow and all they want to do is build a snowman, and how can you not want to build a snowman with this set? So in addition to your 4 little penguins, we have a pre-assembled snowman in this set, as you can see here. But what you also have is a selection of other elements to help you create your own snowman or build snowmans in various stages of completion. We have a large mound here. We also have a head-sized mound, and we have a hat, a pipe. We have got 2 different twigs, so you can add arms to either the pre-assembled snowman or the one that you build yourself. And of course a carrot nose. You have to have a carrot nose. And we have also some buttons and some coal eyes here to add to your snowman. We've also included in this set a Christmas tree, a gorgeous Christmas tree. As you can see, we've added it on these cards here. And you can either use these as baubles, or if you like making interactive cards, you can punch them out and use them as fairy lights. And then these little guys are so cute because this one could be putting the nose onto the snowman or the hat onto the snowman. Same with this guy. Or they could be putting a star on top of the Christmas tree. That works really well as well. This guy's perfect, like he's sliding down the hill, just absolutely having the time of his life. We've got a couple of sentiments in this set. We have got a scripty handwritten font in Winter and Wonderland. We've also added the word wishes so that you can add that together to create winter wishes. And then a couple of other sentiments, sending you our warmest wishes or winter wishes. And may you always be walking in a winter wonderland. And then, of course, that iconic sentiment where the name comes from, do you want to build a snowman? Which is so fun. So there we have it. This is Wanna Build a Snowman. And there are, of course, coordinating dies if you like to have coordinating dies to go along with your stamps. And these little guys, even though they're Christmas themed and they've got scarves on, you could really use them throughout the year as well because I think they're just so adorable. There we go. Do you want to build a snowman? I know I do.